Here at Garrett Wrangler, it's all about family, from the name to the food and the way you feel when you walk through the door.
My sister and I wanted to open restaurants since we were younger.
So about 10 years ago, Gary Sisco and his sister Debbie Wright opened Garrett Wrangler in Ponca City.
And it was really scary, by all means, to jump out on your own for the first time, but it's been rewarding.
The idea behind the restaurant was simple, to keep it all about family, beginning with the name in honor of Gary's infant son who passed away.
Any other name wasn't even an option. It was going to be that.
The family's country roots are evident from the warm hospitality by the staff,
California. Awesome. Thanks for coming in. Glad to have you.
to even the decor.
The craftsmanship came from my uncle that's gone now, but he was a really great carpenter.
Each piece of furniture was handcrafted.
We bought a charcoaler up here, just the old type, threw the charcoals on it, got it hot, and put the branding irons in that charcoal and started branding them right here at the door.
And as for the food, you can expect some down-home country cooking, using some of their very own family recipes.
Chicken and noodles is definitely one of our most popular, especially dinner time. It's served over the mashed potatoes and it comes with a side.
Food that keep customers like Dakotah Lane coming back.
Hot hamburger plate, best thing in the world. You gotta try it.
What is it?
It's a piece of Texas toast, a hamburger patty, and fries, and then smothered in brown gravy. It's awesome.
We also carry calf fries, so being a farm raised, we went ahead and brought in some calf fries stuff. They are spotty. Either people love them or they do not even want to take a chance.
Along with dinner, the restaurant has a huge breakfast following,
We come here a lot. We come here almost every day.
offering up their popular cinnamon roll pancakes and Gary's chicken fried steak omelet that he says can't be beat.
We win a lot of awards. We back-to-back best restaurant in the county for breakfast, but we also was voted best service. So even our dinners are good and great quality food.
But everyone has their favorites.
The chicken salad sandwich. The chicken salad is different than most chicken salads. It's not your plain old mother's chicken salad. It is more flavorful, a lot more interesting ingredients. And another thing they serve is fried cookie dough, which is different.
Their eggs are great, and just pretty much everything. We like their chicken strips a lot, and a good chicken breast, and like their broccoli's out of this world.
And while they may come for the food, these regulars stay for the company.
We just come here and kind of start our day, and we made friends, and we just talk about what we're going to do for the day.
It's what we wanted. We wanted everybody to come in the door and feel like they should wipe off their boots and have a seat and enjoy Garrett Wranglers. We are blessed because our object was for it to be family, and they become family.
In Ponca City, I'm Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.